Sometimes you just gotta put social media aside for a little bit and focus on what's present. I don't know, when you first start a YouTube or whatever, it's kind of awkward. So here it is. Oh. So this is the actual palette. This can definitely be your like go-to palette. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a cool minute since I've been on YouTube, but I wanted to hop back on here and show you guys a little something that I got in the mail, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys click that button right now. But yeah, let's get to it. I received this beautiful PR package from Urban Decay. I want to show you guys what all came in the box, and I'm definitely going to be doing a look, but sorry. So all you do is open the box, super easy, and at the very top it's the eyeshadow palette. It's the Down to Run. This is a new eyeshadow palette that they just came out with, and it has 21 shades, and it also comes with 3 lipsticks, which is a bright rose sparkle, a rich mauve nude, which is what I'm wearing right now, and then dark berry with pink micro shimmer. And then it also comes with 3 eyeliners. Yeah, 3 24/7 glide on eyeliners in the shade Double Life, Override, and Lucky. I'm wearing Override right now, and this is the deep green metallic shade. So it comes with the travel size all-nighter spray. Super cute. It kind of matches the packaging on the palette. So this is the actual palette right here. Let me put it down. Let me put this down. So this is the actual palette. I think it's super pretty. I love all the shades in here. This is definitely shades that I would usually use on a normal basis, so this can definitely be your like go-to palette. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look using the products and how I was able to get onto the PR package mailing list with Urban Decay, please keep on watching. Alright, so I already primed my face with the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. I'm just going to spray my face with the Urban Decay Quick Fix real fast. Just to like help hydrate my face, really. I never shake these, and it always says to shake, and I never shake it. I just pick it up and spray it on my face. And this one, the Quick Fix, is for it's a Hydra Charged Complexion Priming Spray, so it's like another primer too, so double the primer, I guess. And now I'm gonna start with the palette. I didn't prime my eyes yet. Let me prime my eyes first. I know it's been a while since I've done like any type of video or makeup look, because I've just been busy with life, trying to get everything together, you know what I mean? Sometimes you just gotta put social media aside for a little bit and focus on what's present. So far, I'm getting there. I'm making progress. Can't complain. You know, I've been super patient with everything, so hopefully something good will come out of it pretty soon. Yes. Alright, so I'm going to be going in with Breakaway. I'm going to apply this all over my brow bone with the Makeup Shack T6 brush. I don't know, when you first start a YouTube or whatever, it's kind of awkward. Okay. Next color I'm going to use most of the brushes that I'm going to be using, excuse me, it's pretty much all from the Makeup Shack. I'm going to go in with the shade Still Shot. It's this like peach pink color, and I'm just going to apply that into my crease. And this brush is the Makeup Shack T12. I think I know why I don't really talk in my videos when I'm doing my makeup, because I'm so focused on trying to be focused that I'm just very quiet. I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush from Be Bella, and this is the NG23. And then I'm going to use the shade Baja. This is the copper orange shade. And I'm going to go in with that back into my crease. Honestly, I feel like everybody is now all into makeup, and you can honestly just learn on your own if you ever want to become a makeup artist or whatever. Because realistically, all you have to do is practice, practice, practice. And the more you practice and the more you do your makeup, the more better you'll get, and the more you'll realize the mistakes you've made, and you'll learn from those mistakes and improve those mistakes. So anybody can be a makeup artist. Alright, with my concealer, I'm gonna apply a little base onto my lids, just so that the eyeshadow color that I'm going to put on there is more vibrant and it pops a little bit more. Alright, so next shade I'm going to be using is Radio, and it's going to be this like turquoise, like deep turquoise color, and I'm just going to apply that all over my lids. And I'm using a small flat brush from Sephora, and this one is number 15. Alright, so I'm going to use this brush from Sigma. It's the E25. And I'm just going to pick up the shade Punk. It's this like, kind of like rich chocolate brown. And I'm going to add that into my crease right here. Blend the two colors together so that way I get like a nice blend in between the two shades. Oh yeah, I should tell you guys about my, experience with receiving this second PR package from Urban Decay. Pretty much, this is like the only company that I've ever received like an actual PR package. And what a PR package is, companies send it to all the top influencers that people usually watch on a daily on like YouTube and stuff, and they send out these packages. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure PR stands for product review, because why else would they send a PR package to influencers? So that way they can review the product. There you go. Pretty much somebody reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to start receiving PR packages from their company, yada yada yada, and I was like, yeah, definitely, and had to make sure it was legit and everything, because I've never received a PR package. So I've always wondered like how they approach us about receiving PR packages. So now that I know, I'm like, okay, I'm always checking my emails just to see if I'll get more. It'd be really nice if I did receive more, but I'm super grateful for what I'm receiving now from Urban Decay. Yeah, so this is the second PR package I got. The first one, I had already did a video on it, and it's the one with all the lip glosses and all that, which is pretty cool because when it first came, I was stoked, and I loved the fact that how it was set up. It looked like a piano kind of thing, and how they had it like colored, color coordinated down the line and all that, so it was super dope. I went off camera and finished the other side of my face. Now I'm just applying my new Clinique foundation. This one's the Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer, and I had to go get a new shade because I'm super tan now, which I love because I'm like usually super pale. And I'm gonna use the Makeup Shack, not Makeup Forever, Makeup Shack T40 foundation brush, and I'm just gonna blend that in. I usually don't use a foundation brush to blend in my stuff, but I thought I'd try something different. And then of course I always go back in with a beauty blender, and I just make sure everything is like seamlessly blended out. Literally a little goes a long way, so I don't even put that much. Pretty much that's all I put. And then now I'm just gonna blend that thing out. To contour, I'm using the Kat Von D Shade Light palette. And I'm just gonna sketch out my snatched nose. And honestly, when you contour the nose, it really does take time to perfect it. Because now looking back, when I first started contouring my nose, and I would always look at my picture like, why does my nose look so big? Because bitch, I was doing it all wrong. Instead of making it like very slim and snatched, I did it wide. So that's why my nose looked so wide. And I was like, wow. You pretty much just figure it out on your own, because nobody's really gonna say anything, because they're gonna think like that's how you prefer your makeup, you know? I'm gonna bake for a little bit, not too long. I'm just gonna add some blush, and this is the Anastasia, which one is this one? Blush Trio in Pool Party. I'm gonna go in with the orange first, which is Baja. I'm going to use the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and this is in Overdrive. This one is the one that came in the PR package, and I'm just going to use that to line my waterline. Alright, so I went and applied on my false lashes off camera, and now I'm just going to add the shade Stranded into my inner corners, and it's this metallic gold shade. Just gonna add that into the inner corners so that way my eyes pop more. And then for the lips, I'm gonna use the one that came in the PR package, which is Comfort Matte, and this is number 66. Alright, so I think this completes the look. I'm going to set my face with the setting spray that it came with, and it came with the travel size all-nighter spray,